A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to check your bill on the eUK app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the eUK app. Launch the eApp on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Sign in. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly in the app. Step 3. Navigate to Bills. Once logged in, look for the Bills section on the main dashboard. This is usually located in the menu at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. View your current bill. Tab on the current bill option to see a detailed breakdown of your charges. This will include your usage, any additional fees, and your total amount due. Step 5. Set up notifications. This stay updated on future bills. Consider enabling notifications. Go to settings and toggle on bill alerts to receive reminders. Sometimes, the app may take a moment to load your bill details, so be patient if it doesn't appear immediately. I hope this helps you keep track of your e-bills easily. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.